Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make cream handi updated. Start by gathering cream, paneer, cashews, ghee, ginger, garlic, green chilies, garam masala, turmeric, and a heavy-bottomed handi. Roast cashews and grind into a paste, sauté aromatics, add paneer and cream, simmer gently until sauce thickens, then finish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Serve hot with naan or rice and adjust salt to taste before serving. Toast cashews until golden, then blend with a little water to a smooth paste for creaminess. Chop paneer into large cubes and sear lightly in ghee for color. Fry onions slowly until deep golden, then add ginger garlic paste and spices. Cook until oil separates. Stir in cashew paste and cream, add paneer, and simmer gently, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking and to build a silky sauce. Taste and adjust salt and heat before plating. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and like the video to support more updates and tasty recipes. On another note, Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes kitchen cleanups effortless and fun. Check the description for the link and other deals to save time and keep your floors spotless. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Finish cream handi by balancing richness and acidity, adding a squeeze of lemon or a splash of yogurt if needed. Garnish with chopped cilantro and a drizzle of cream for visual impact. Serve hot with butter naan, jeera rice, or soft rotis, and recommend warming the plates. Cool leftovers quickly, refrigerate within 2 hours, and reheat gently on low to preserve texture and flavor. Label the container with date to track freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.